This is the hand that does the fun and crazy finger work that you see many guitar players doing. Guitar players number their fingers 1 to 4, with 1 being your index pointer finger and 4 being your pinky. They do this so that they can communicate with other guitar players more easily. You'll see later on, when we do our 4-finger exercise, what I mean. Your fretting hand should have your thumb up and your fingers spread. And your palm should be squared off with the neck of the guitar. In other words, make sure your palm is facing up to the sky. Line up your thumb behind your middle finger. And it's very important to play with your fingertips, because that's what's going to make you sound amazing, as well as build strength in your fingers. Pretend like you're pinching. Create a small bridge with your finger as you press down on a string. Now, with your strumming hand, use the tip of the pick to gently play the string. If you're not getting any sound, or you're getting a buzzing sound, keep pinching and squeezing a little harder until you get a nice clean tone.